exchange rate. Industry players made this plea when they appeared before the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Industry and Commerce on Tuesday.
Retailers say the disparity between the official exchange rate and the black market rate is leading to challenges in competitive pricing. Currently, the official exchange rate stands at $1 United States dollar to 26.4 ZiG, while the unofficial market rate ranges from 35 to 40 ZiG per dollar. Retailers are calling on government to let the market determine the rate.
Our recommendations is to improve the ZWG liquidity to enable manufacturers to participate effectively and meet their input requirements, and allow market forces to determine exchange rates based on the demand for and supply of foreign currency.
A number of big supermarket chains have been downsizing, while some are closing shop. A lot of them are citing a harsh operating environment as the reason. One such retailer, the Enrichers Group, who recently closed 2 branches, says the organization is drowning in taxes.
Target collecting tax from more players rather than collecting more tax from players that are already paying tax. In other words, reduce the taxation level and the tax heads, but collect that tax from as many players as possible. In that way, we will not have a problem of fiscal mobilization in the economy. We actually believe we'll get more tax that way, and we'll be able to fund whatever government needs to fund.
Apart from taxes and high costs of transacting, the cost of power is also affecting supermarkets. Spar Zimbabwe, which has closed one of its branches, uses about 180 liters of diesel per store per month to run a generator that powers the stores. They are calling on government to introduce incentives for alternative power source projects.
One of the incentives that I would recommend, Honorable Chair, is on power generation. Right now, I can tell you it will cost you not less than $100,000 just to set up a solar plant. Before you can buy a battery, before you can buy a solar panel, you need to go through various departments to apply for a power generation. While we are saying we are coming up with an intervention to generate more power, but we're actually being asked to pay more money. So as a recommendation, Chair, I would recommend through your committee, if some of the requirements, especially on power generation, be set aside.
The retail sector contributes about 18% to the national gross domestic product and employs 26% of the workforce. If big chain stores continue to close, Zimbabwe is surely in trouble. Parliament says it will deliberate on the responses before making recommendations to government. Shira Munjenjema for ZTN News at Parliament.